What is up? All right, I'm super excited about streaming again. I had some people comment on some of my podcast episodes that I connected YouTube to my podcast and saying, hey, like, what happened to the stream? So, yes, I am streaming again. I just realized I don't have my watch, so my wrist feels naked. It's weird. Hopefully, that doesn't get me demonetized. Oh, saying the word naked. Oh, wait, I'm not monetized. But anyway. Yeah, we're going to be working on some Epic Web stuff before office hours today. And so, yeah, let's just, whoa, share my screen, which you cannot see at all. I guess it's been a while since I did this. Hold on a second. Come on, properties. Weird. Display, filters, no. Huh, that's super strange. I should be able, yeah, it doesn't even let me click on properties. Okay, I'm gonna have to re-add my display capture. That is super weird. I did just update OBS and they got a UI designer. They like it looks pretty sweet. Mac OS screen capture now. Okay, that's a different thing. Okay. Whoa. Yep, that's my email. Sure hope there's nothing in there that's interesting. Let's play soccer, something about Cashified. Yeah, we're safe. And my calendar right there too. That's not the one. I want the other screen. There we go. That looks better. Hide OBS from capture. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't care to do that. And let's transform it. You're watching this all in real time. Where is transform? There it is. And fit to screen. Boom. And then we move this down below. And then we're going to delete the old one. There we go. All right. Welcome to my stream. As usual, my Discord bot created a channel for us to chat. So if you come over to Discord, yoink, chat is going to happen here. I'm going to join this thread. And this is where we're going to be talking about what I'm doing. So if you want to join and chat there, then you're welcome to do it. Somebody on YouTube, I typically ignore chat from anything but Discord, but I saw this. Can you please make a video on centralized auth? I want to have a separate auth app that is going to do authentication, and other applications use cookies created by that app. I probably won't get to that. I know that there are good use cases for that, but I've just got so many other things that I probably won't have time to ever get to that. I'm just being realistic. Okay, so if you watched my live stream yesterday with James, then you would know that we were working on the workshop app and figured out how to get the NX release command to work. And so we're just continuing from that. I moved all the utils into this directory, and I am now going to update the Tushy config. Here it is, yoink. Going to update this so that it builds the proper exports for everything that I want. One thing I'm going to do though is I like my dependencies to be a little bit higher up in here, so we'll do that. Save this, and I really just do not like this the NX like this thing popping up in my package.json. I just do not like that at all. Oh man, that's too bad. So we are going to disable this extension. Maybe one day we'll enable it again, but I hate having extensions pop up in my face like that. Do not like that at all. Okay, anyway, so we've got, I've got the timing server here. And so I've got pretty much all of these packages I want to be importable individually. I don't want to have like a barrel file or anything like that. But maybe not all of them. Some of them I don't need to have. So what I was going to do, well, here, we'll still do that. Oh, and another thing that I need to do is I'm going to get back on Suka train or Succa train. I think it's pronounced Succa, which you're a sucka if you don't use Succa. Yep, that's what we're doing here. And the music is playing good. Okay, let me just do this thing. Yoink. There's that QR code. So I keep myself off of my phone and just stay focused on what's most important. Okay, and then all of this stuff, this is like forever ago. I don't even know. Make fake database, apply style. I don't even know what this was all for. But presumably I did all that stuff, so, but I don't want to get fake credit for stuff in case I didn't, so we're just gonna delete all this stuff. And what I'm working on right now, what am I working on? I am going to move all utilities to the utils module, and then create presence module, and then rename to workshop app, or rename modules, or re-scope modules. We're going to put them in the EpicWeb scope. Yep, so that's what we're going to do. Let's move things over. Whoa, totally just got some spam on my Twitch. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. Man, see, this is why I ignore chat, because I wouldn't even notice this. I'm blocking them from Restream at least. Okay, so packages, workshop utils, source, and then copy that. That is totally not what I thought was gonna, oh, C, wait, PB, that's right, yeah. Okay, there we go. So, app server, yes. Cache server, I think. Change tracker, yes. Pretty sure I need that. I think I use that in here. Yes, I used the change tracker. Oh, actually, you know what? I have this stuff in this package JSON here. If we look at all of this, yeah, I need these things. That's what needs to be exposed. Ooh, actually, not necessarily. Well, at least these things for sure need to be exposed. So let's do this. Yeek, yeek, yeek. I didn't have types on that. That was a mistake. Okay, here, we'll just do this. Then we'll go to types for all these. Bink, bink, bink. Yes. Okay, and that is different. And, oops. Okay. Great. So then we come over here to utils. We add all those right here. Want to have them sort of alphabetized, right? No, I don't care. It doesn't matter. Why do I care? Source app server. Cool. If I get a typo, well, Tushy will tell me, I suppose. Okay, let's just do all this. Copy. And then, oh man. All right, we'll do it this way. Source, and then it sends in .ts. Okay, and then if I go here and say, hey, run that script for me. That's a new thing, new trick that I decided I should start trying. Yep, definitely want to have allow importing extensions. Oh, that's interesting. So I have it there. Can I add it here? Because I like that. Try it again. Mm-hmm. I'm confused why it failed. It does not say why it failed. Build failed. Oh, there it is. Can only be... Oh. But why? I like having the extension. That's the ESM way, is to have the extension. And in fact, I think if you don't have this enabled, then it doesn't work. Okay, well, we'll turn that off for now. And dang. Okay, well, let's see here. Come down here, and we'll just start with this. Here, that one's kind of more complicated. Let's do an easier one. All of these are using app server, and that one's the most complicated thing. Okay, well, let's do this. Gonna take all this, stick it in here. Okay, package JSON is fine. App server, not fine yet. Timing server is fine. Hold on a second. Timing server. Yeah, that one's fine. Compile MDX, not yet. Change tracker, not yet. Git server, not yet. Iframe sync is fine also. Playwright. Oh. That should be .server. Why does it have a .server on it, I wonder? I don't think playwright.server is necessary. It can just be playwright.ts. Whoa, why did that take a while? Okay, playwright I think is fine. Oh no, it's using app server, so not yet. Process manager, I think, is also using app server. Process manager. Yep. And then test. Okay, and test is fine. So we'll take these first. And then let's run the build. Failed because they're looking. Oh, process. Wait a second. Okay, I want to have this open. CD packages, workshop at utils. Okay. Why are we going into app server? Maybe it is reading and processing everything despite my exports stuff. Suppose that would make sense. All right, fine. Then we'll come back here. We'll restore all of this stuff to its former glory. I'm gonna .server this guy. Ah, man, that is so annoying. Yeah, we'll .server the playwright thing too. Okay, so we'll come in here and we'll remove extensions. And then we'll have to get rid of that. What are you complaining about now? Cannot find these modules just because we don't have the extensions. Because we're in a native ESM environment, we need the extension. What? Well, let's see what happens if we do .js on all this. Man, all this stuff is so ridiculous. It is just, it's crazy. All right, we're gonna do find in folder .ts, and we're gonna replace that with .js. Okay, and we'll try to run this build again. Okay, and it should have updated my exports, so that's cool. Cool. And then I come over here. Here's all the stuff, and we want to make sure that this includes the extensions, which it does. Okay, so yeah, I hate that, but whatever. Don't hate it that much, it's fine. Okay, so now we need to, we're gonna see a lot of blowups. Kablooey, 212. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me one bit. But I won't have to fix every single one of those things. It'll be fine. We can now come over here, and this app server, the utils app server. Okay, and it actually utils apps server, and this will be in workshop app. That's interesting. So we're going to delete this. Go back to the find. Come over here. Say okay. That's that. And then okay. And then Okay, and you are complaining because we don't have that. Interesting. Huh. So does that not show up? DB server. Oh, I guess I didn't have DB server in there for some reason. Oh, I know why. Because, yeah, I didn't expose it before. So now we know we need DB server. DB server. Thank you. And here, let's do right here. We've got a watch thing here. Next watch, yada yada yada. And so then we can go. Where's our build? Yep. Build watch. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay. Okay, and we're just gonna assume that's gonna work. Here, let's run it once. Cool, and so now we have DB server. Okay, good. And so now you should be okay with DB server. Yay! And then we need a cache server in here also. Okay, right here. Boom. And now are you okay? Boom. Beautiful. Okay, good stuff. So apps server.ts. And in env server, I think that is just a util in here. Yeah, so that one's fine. Okay, good stuff. Okay, and this coming from the workshop utils. And also workshop utils. And this too, I think. No. So that eventually this is going to come from the presence module, which we will make. Yeah. Oh. No. Okay, maybe we should make that presence module right now instead of putting work into putting that into workshop utils. So presence package.json. Workshop presence and this is where generators come in really handy, right? Whoa, what is this nonsense? Yeah, this is generated by PartyKit, I think. Hopefully this isn't a problem to do this. Okay, and package.json. We're gonna have a couple of things here. Sometimes I lose track of where my stuff is. Okay, good. So we got Tushy, and then we've got that, ESM. Honestly, I don't think we really need a package.json import, but I don't care. Okay. So the present stuff, that all is going in here. Don't ask again. Skip changes. Okay, so this is interesting. Let's find in folder presence. Presence. Okay, yeah, so we've got something in the cache. We can move that. Oh, right, for the database. I think that's okay. I don't think that our present stuff needs that. So we are not going to have a circular dependency here. We can move this presence cache. See, we've got the thing is, I want to co-locate the presence stuff with the presence server, because that will allow me to share the user schema and stuff, because I think we've duplicated that already. So that's one thing, but then also some of the utilities I want co-located there as well, but those use some things in utils. But then utils, no, that's okay. Yeah, utils isn't going to use anything from presence, so presence can depend on utils. We can just export make singleton cache from utils. Export make singleton cache, and then presence cache can go in to our presence server. There we go. And then this can have a dependency on can't see dots, workshop, utils, file, or wait, how does that work? Does that work? I just forgot. Workshop app, file, :, yep. That. Okay, great. And we'll stick that right there just to keep it alphabetical. Okay, so what that means now is that this is going to come from the presence module, which is not yet built, and this will come from workshop utils, cache, server. So let's come over here. Let's do just install. So all that stuff is set up properly. That's good. This is not happy because cache server is not built, maybe? Oh, it's right there, so I'm not sure what it's complaining about. That's right there. Restart the TypeScript server, potentially we'll fix that. Nope. Huh, well that is, yeah, that's definitely unexpected. Weird. That does not seem to... Yeah, and then this... That is super strange. Well, and this should definitely be Kensi.odds, workshop utils, timing.server, and Kensi.odds, workshop utils, utils. And I think utils actually should be a .server as well, because it should only be server-side stuff that we're doing here. Oh, we do have the get error message util. Well, do we have two utils files? One for server and one that can run on both? I honestly don't know. Yeah, we do. And then in here, we add and we should have our build running, so that should update. Maybe the build failed. Yeah, something happened. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. What the devil? Yeah, okay. That watch script is, there's something funny about that we're gonna have to deal with. I'm not sure I'm a super fan of Tushy, to be honest. I may get rid of that. Okay, so let's go find all of you people using utils. And yeah, okay. There we go. Okay, I think that's all. Nope, here we go. Okay, good. So now should be able to run the build. I'm confused about how Tushy works. It's kind of weird. If I don't have this Tushy file and I run the build, is everything okay? Because I'm pretty sure that Tushy directory should be get ignored. Yeah. Yep. I spelling that wrong? What is this? Oh, because it's already been added. Packages, shop app, or utils. There we go. Okay, there we go. So now that should be ignored. Why are you not ignored? Okay, we'll deal with that later. Let's figure out what's going on here. This is very odd. Oh, maybe this might be it. Yeah, that might be it. Maybe. We're waiting. Nope. Piecing all of this stuff together is exhausting. I just realized that I have the audio for macOS screen capture, which is interesting. I think I like that. Yeah, we'll just go with that. We'll see. Okay. I did not expect to bump into a problem like this. This was supposed to be easy. Workshop utils. Workshop utils. If we look at the package.json, all of our import stuff is there. And those files are present. Do exist. Well, let's see if we can build. Maybe just the editor's got a problem with this or something. That would be kind of annoying, but so we've got our user schema here. I need to know, are these two exactly the same? I'm pretty sure they are. So that's in there, and then here's from our server. One of them had an export, so let's get rid of that. They are exactly the same. Okay, good. And so we'll import that from there. There we go. That's nice. And then, yeah, we'll figure that out later. Okay, so then we want both of these to be exported. This is workshop or presence, not presence. Here we go. and files in here as well. Files. Paste. Okay, so then build. Build failed. Okay, that is understandable. Try it again. What's this Tushy build thing all about? Great. Is it dot build? I think? No, dash build. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. And presence, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, great. So my autocomplete is not going to give me the extension because I have to turn that thing off. I might get rid of Tushy because this is annoying. I do not like this at all. And I just go back to my own build script. Okay, well, so yeah, that is interesting. Oh, we have our own TypeScript in here. I guess that's fine. Yeah, that makes sense that we would. Okay, so then we're just going to pretend that's not a problem. Here, well, yeah, we'll get to that later. We're going to pretend that's not a problem for right now. And yeah, so this is workshop presence. Need to add that as a dependency in here. I don't know if it's going to do anything about that, but there we go. And so now, oh, good grief. It's not going to complete it for me because this also is struggling with something. I don't know what, but we're going to reload window and see if maybe that fixes things. I did restart the TypeScript server, so freak. That totally is a thing. For crying out loud. I don't have auto imports on save in VS Code. I do have, it will sort my imports on save, but that's an ESLint rule. So, okay, I'm going to take, well, I'm not going to take a break because I am going to take a break. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I think this is going to be a hard one to explain to an AI assistant, but I'm going to try. Oh, whoops. Yeah, so let's try this. Why is TypeScript saying it cannot find, can see dots? Actually, you know what? Let's do an easier one. Presence. Oh, now this one is happy. Oh, that's good. That is good. Okay. Okay, that's great. So this one is the one that's got problems. Let's see if we can figure out why. So, can see dots, workshop presence. And it's coming from workshop presence. Oh, it's not called workshop presence. It's just called presence. We're gonna rename some of these things anyway. Maybe I should call it workshop presence. Okay, so let's just run this thing. Okay, hey, I think we fixed it, maybe. No. Okay. See, why is it auto-completing all this stuff? What is this even? It's not. That's not gonna do anything. Yeah, workshop presence. Okay, so double checking. We go into where is this? Can't see dots. Workshop presence. And package exports. Oh, this is all source. Oh. Yeah, that's my bad. Whoops. Yeah, that's my bad. Actually, it was AI's bad. I don't ever do anything bad. I'm gonna blame my AI. See, I don't know why people are resistant to get AI assistants to do stuff, because if you get them to do it, then you can blame them for all your mistakes. All right. We'll do this build again, and then this should go away. Maybe, no, still not. Am I misspelling presence or something? You know how, like, you look at a word and you know it. You know that word. It's familiar to you. But then, like, when you really look at it, like, wait, is that how that's spelled? Yeah, feeling that right now. Okay. So we've got that hooked up properly. Can't see dots, workshop app, workshop presence. So we are missing something. I'm just not sure what it is. Make sure that this, so our exports we got, oh, that's still pointing to source. Why is that? So that would definitely explain the problem. So why is that happening? Do I have this backwards? Yeah, I do. I totally had that backwards. Okay, now build this one more time, and that should work. Yay! Hallelujah! So nice to get out of that. And I've got 15 minutes until office hours. So let's see if we can get the rest of the workshop app happy. Okay, so let's look for DB server TS in workshop app. We're looking for what? No! Oh, there we go. Whoops. Okay, good. Oh, invariant response. I can use my new invariant package for that too. Good grief. Let's do that right now, actually. npm I EpicWeb invariant for the workspace packages workshop. I wonder. Yeah. Okay, cool. So then. EpicWeb invariant. Boom! Look at that. That's nice. Okay. There we are. Yeah, right here. Thought we'd have a couple of you. And workshop utils. Yeah, there we go. Compile app. Oh no, actually I think that is just a. Yeah, okay. Okay. Doing a bunch of things all at once. Okay. Can't see dogs. Workshop utils. Boom. Now we're talking. Okay, invariant. Get a couple more of these done. And that one. Beautiful. Okay, good. Let's keep going. We're gonna go here, here. Yeah. Find these. DB server. Boom. And you're gonna go away. And cache server. Oh man. All right. Yeah, and you're gonna go away. And yeah, okay, so woo. Change tracker.server. Okay, change that. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. So let's see. Oh, client hints. Holy smokes. Oh, right. No, I am using client hints. Okay, good. Fetty. I think I'm ready to run internet server, huh? Check connection. Oh, yeah, we've got a util for that. Oh, maybe. Okay, we were not using that. I think all this stuff could go into, let's see, are we using anything? We're using the root loader. Yes, that makes sense. Okay. There might be something we could do here to move this over to the presence thing. Yeah, we could reorganize this a little bit, but I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, process manager goes away. I'm local only anyway. Okay. Very good. I think we're ready to run type checking. Okay, not as bad as it could be. Good. And then here's an invariant response here. Let's see, that's the only one we got. Okay, and no, we don't want it from build. Huh, where's code file? Code file. Oh, it's in workshop utils. It's just not being exported. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then let's just run the build. Where's our scripts? Be here somewhere. Run that. Will you be able to find it? Yes. No. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's get rid of that build directory. It's messing us up. Blow you up. All right, now try. No? Come on. All right. There we go. Now we're happy. Okay, and I think we are done. Okay. Well, that actually makes lots of sense. Because now this will be from workshop utils. And that means that all of these will need to depend on, yeah. Well, yeah, these are just an example, and it works, so it's fine. And this guy is complaining because that, okay. Okay, I've got 3 minutes till office hours, so I'm gonna have to take off. What? Cannot read file. What? Presence tsconfig. Why can't you read that file? I know why. Because I renamed it. Workshop presence. Yes! Sweet. Oh, hey, what's up, James? Issue added for disable code lens specifically within the NX console extension now. Yes. Okay, awesome. I will check back with that in like a couple weeks, I suppose. Thank you. Definitely appreciate that. I'm just a weirdo. Don't want my editor to be too powerful. Actually, really, it's just about things bouncing around. I open it up and things jump around and I don't want that. I don't want that. So he's asking me if I know Django. I do not. I worked with somebody who did though. He built a Django API and I consumed it with an Angular app. That was good times. Okay, so here's what I want to do. Well, I guess I'll just commit this, but I'm not going to push it yet. Git, commit all the things. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's do, okay. Yeah, I thought we'd have something. What is this all about? What? I don't know. ESLint, you need to ignore that stuff. Anything in dist, ignore. Thank you. Try that again. Woohoo! I guess this is a chore. No, well, it's a breaking change though. So feature, organize all the things. Breaking change. Some utilities have been moved to a new package. Can't cd dots workshop utils. I'm gonna push this. Why not? We'll get a release. It's fine. Okay, I've got to run for office hours. So, and office hours are going to be short today, just a half hour because I've got something at 10. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in just a couple minutes right here on my YouTube channel doing office hours. Bye.